Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some cards that I made. So I decided, as crazy Lily is, to last minute do a Halloween card swap. I had been seeing card swaps on Instagram and I don't know why I didn't think of doing that. So I got super excited and made a post to pick or have 5 girls join in and do a card swap shipping Monday. So hopefully, and keep it within the US so that it can get there on time. So I made my cards last night and I love the way they turned out, and I want to share with you guys what I did and how they look before they head out. So this is what I did. These are the cards. I packaged them up in these plastic sleeves and then I stitched them on the top. Now, I haven't decided if I want to ship them like this, like put the shipping label, because I have seen a lot of people ship, maybe put the label back here, in clear packaging. So let me know down below what you think. Should I just put the label here and ship it out like this? I get afraid that they're going to steal it, but are they really? I don't know. Let me know what you think. Should I put the label back here and ship them like that? But every girl got the envelope. I made the envelope a little bit bigger because the flowers kind of stick out. So the envelope is a little bit bigger than the card. And this is what they look like. They have little skull heads. I had just a few in my stash. So some of them are rose gold, black, and then one white one. I did the little pink monster eyes and then little pink flowers that I had in my stash. Every card comes with a little broom. And yeah, you guys, this is what they look like. The stitching in the pink. So cute. Look at that. And this paper is from the Fairy Tale Club, I think Halloween collection from last year. I tried to use as much of the paper that I had left. So I had enough to make 3 cards with this one and 3 cards with the pink and the black cats in the back. And you guys, I'm obsessed. I love the way they look. I think that the girls are going to love them so much. So I got 6 girls, but I left one unpackaged so you guys can see the card, how it actually looks. And then I just put, what I did was I did 3 layers. I did the white card base, and then I did the black and then the pattern paper. I stitched it down. I had these labels that I found in my stash. And I put, let me see if I can show you guys. 1 second. So I had these Recollection Alpha books. I used these to put their names. This one right here. And then you guys already seen the tutorial on the little brooms. That's what they look like. And these are the labels that I used to put on here and add their name to it. In the inside of every card, I did this little sentiment. I hate my handwriting, so of course I typed it up, and it says, "Happy Halloweeny, here is a boo from me to you. Hope your day is spooktacular. Something wicked this way comes. A sweet little treat for you, from Liller." I printed it out and I inked the edges and I love it. I think it's so cute. What do you guys think? Let me know down below if you guys think my cards came out cute and the ladies are going to love them. So I'm going to be adding that to this little packaging, and it's super thick, so I think I could ship it like that. But yeah, that's my quick little video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you on my next one. Bye.